Hello everyone, so if you wanna enable or disable your developer mode on your Xiaomi Redmi A3, so first of all, open up your settings, here they are. Now you're to scroll down to your About Phone tab, here it is. In your About Phone tab, you're to find your build number, here it is. Now we're to tap 7 times on it. Let's do this, 1, 2, 3, 7. Great, now we opened up our developer options. If you have any pin set, you will be prompted to enter it, so simply enter it and enable it. Now let's go back to our settings, find your system tab. In your system tab, you are to find your developer options. Here they are, so choose them. Here you have a lot of options, like here you can enable stay awake, enable debugging, and so much more. So go through them, decide what you need and what you don't need. And when you're done with everything and want to close your developer options, simply find this switch on the top, tap on it, and they will be turned off. Now, if you're gonna go back, as you see, they disappear. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.